Hi and welcome to our craft session. This is Bindu and you are watching Shama online class. Today our session is little different. We all are at home these days to keep ourselves and family safe. This way we are helping our society and nation too. As we all know, it is beautiful weather outside and we all want to come out to gain some vitamin D. But from yesterday weather has changed and last year Shama has provided an excellent opportunity to visit museum and have some quality time together. However, this year it is not possible for us to do outdoor gathering with my students, but we can still visit park, nature virtually together. So for our today's session, I would like to take this opportunity to take you all to the park and bring nature home. Hi everyone. As we went to park to bring nature at home, every day I'm thinking to bring nature at home because during quarantine everyone is sitting home and some people are not having chance to go outside. So we are going to make little creatures here and arrange in our little plate. I have metal plate or any kind of the plate you are not using at home. Let's start with our objects. Some tree like from pine cone I have made tree, flowers, little birds and little pond and little small creatures, ladybird. So let's start. I have made tree from pine cone, flower, bird from cotton wool, ladybirds from pistachio shells, and here some part of the trees. Here is a little pond and little tree, and we are going to arrange here in our plate. So let's see how it's going. Now sticking this, and I'm arranging our tray here. Birds are going towards tree. Here are some tree, and here is the board, the crossing path of the ladybirds, and little pond here. Small fishes are there, and this all creatures. I have whatever it was in my mind, I have tried to keep here. Hope all you have enjoyed.